Today I'm going to introduce these allergy tools that I just found out about this week. I'm kind of intrigued by the availability of these tools because I come from a family that's seriously affected by allergies, and I'm delighted to see that this work is going on and being collected in these databases. So the first one that I'm going to talk about, the Allergen Atlas database, is the one that I was notified about from the My NCBI search, the standing search that I have running every week. And it brought me to this page, and it brought me to that paper, and the paper brought me to this page. And so you'll find information about the project here, and you can see that there's several ways to access this data. You can go for a list of everything that's in there, you can keyword search, you can sequence search in a variety of ways. The first thing I'll just do is go to list all allergens to give you an idea of the kind of data that's available here. So what you'll see when it loads is that there's a column for allergen name here, the organism that it comes from, the International Union of Immunological Sciences Societies Nomenclature Subcommittee allergen indication, whether it's in the database or not, and then there's also the type of organism or offender, I guess, that provides this allergen. So you can see that information is available in the last column. So I'm going to just scroll down a little bit to give you a kind of an overview of the kinds of things that you'll see here. And I'll specifically choose to look at one of the peanut allergens. Since I have the peanut allergy, I went looking right for those. So here I'm just going to click one of those to give you a look at one of the records. So you'll see that you have information about the allergen, the organism, and there's its common name, and of course food. So you'll see that you have access to sequence information if it's available. There's a link that you can click and go to Uniprot for that. There's reference information in this case. They won't all have that. In this case, we also see that there's domain information. You can see epitope information here. In this case, there's a number of different epitopes available. And there's gene ontology information as well. So here we see nutrient reservoir activity, and that tells you a little bit more about this protein. So there's a lot of interesting things you can get right from the list of allergens here, but as I said, there's searches available. And one of the things that really intrigued me was this special kind of search. I didn't know that there was a specific allergenicity search. So this FAO-WHO Allergenicity Search, I went looking for more information. I have to say one thing about this site. It doesn't have much documentation available here. There's a short paper that's available in bioinformatics, and you can take a look at that, but the site itself could really use some more documentation. So I went looking for more information about this kind of search that's available. I went looking, the International Union of Immunological Societies that develops that nomenclature that they have. I found a couple of other databases. One of them is Allergome. I'm guessing it's Allergome, like allergy, Allergome. Anyway, so there's another database available that gives you access to allergens and other types of searches too. And I also found this Allermatch. So Allermatch is an opportunity. It's an algorithm that lets you look at the amino acid sequence with respect to the sequences of allergenic proteins. So there's specific algorithms here. Again, here's that FAO-WHO algorithm description. So you'll be able to search proteins to see if they have this kind of allergenicity based on the sequence information here. So I thought that was really interesting. I didn't know that there was a specific subset of sequence searches that were available for this. So I thought it was an interesting week to go from Allergen Atlas to these other types of information as well. So if that's a field that you're interested in, or if, like me, you have allergies, maybe you'll take a look at that and learn some things. Thanks very much.